In this video, we're going to talk about something that you may not even realize is a part of the Maestro system, and that's messaging. We understand that shooting emails back and forth, text messages, they're all great forms of communication, but they're all extra forms of communication as well. And since we've built Maestro to be this encompassing tool for your organization, we wanted to provide you with a way to have some quick messages back and forth. Now, this certainly isn't meant to replace your mass emailing, such as a MailChimp or a Constant Contact, or even your day-to-day email systems. But we know that there's times where there's quick messages that need to be sent to either an individual or a group, and so we've got a messaging system built within Maestro that operates very much like a group text or an individual text message. If you go to the upper right hand corner, you'll see this icon, and if we click on that icon, you'll see that we start to get all of the messages populating. Now, you can send messages to a group of individuals or to one individual. To start, you would just click the plus button, and then you just select the people that you want to send your message to. And it will go. Especially when you hit the correct button. So you'll see that popped up down there. Now you'll see when we clicked on it the first time there was a 1. So Rakusik is asking us how many registrations we ended up with for Saturday. So we can shoot back to them. Maybe they're doing the setup. Maybe they needed to know what was going on. So we can shoot them a quick message. And again, with the emailing settings, they can choose to get that emailed directly to them, or they can just look at that when they log into the system. And they've gotten back to us saying, great, thanks. And so we know that they got that message. And again, it's just another way to keep everything within your Maestro system. Again, it operates very much like a group text. So it should be fairly familiar to anybody. But if you ever do run into problems, please do not hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. We're always happy to assist you, and we're thrilled that you're a part of the Maestro community.